Hi guys, how are you? I'm here to tell you about a problem I had with my Toyota Corolla Estate. It is a 2019 plate car. The issue is the water trapped inside the door, and when I'm driving this car, start driving, or when I brake the car, the water was moving and it was a splashing sound inside it, and which I have recorded, and you can hear it now. So guys, what I have done, I have checked door sill, and I found there is nothing inside the door sill. Then I've checked my doors and I've found that there is water trapped inside the near side door. You will find a plastic plug which is a black color one, and that's there. So guys, you have to take this plug out, and when you're gonna take this plug out, you will, if there is a water inside the door, it will come out. In my situation, when I took this plug out, there was a water trap which was nearly 3 liters of water trapped behind the door, and it could damage my car. And luckily we found the problem and I fixed it. And see, if this thing happened to your car, and if the water stays in there, and after you get the car washed, and or heavy rain, this water gonna still go in and it's gonna build up. And eventually what's gonna happen, you know, the your electrics, your speaker inside the door, your door opening mechanism, which can be damaged by the water. One thing more, which can see, the if the water stays in there, and the car can get the rust, where your paint were gonna be damaged on it. And guys, after taking the water out, please make sure you insert that plug back into the place, so when you go into the puddles, or if you have go from the flood, the water doesn't go again inside the car. It's a safety feature. Thank you guys, I think it's gonna be helpful for you, and thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and press the bell button and like and share it. Thank you very much.